This Remax Select Property video is presented by Tracy Wisnant. Gorgeous and spacious 4-bedroom 3 full bath 2 half bath 2-story home with basement on approximately 0.678 acre lot in Country Club Gardens subdivision. This home has an open floor plan with neutral colors and closets and storage galore. The living room has a vaulted ceiling and fireplace with gas logs. Kitchen has stainless appliances, lots of cabinet and countertop space. Pantry, range plus wall oven and center aisle with breakfast bar. Drop zone has built-in computer niche. Laundry room is huge with a sink, cabinets, counters, fold-down ironing board and built-in desk. Primary suite is huge with fireplace with gas logs, built-ins, 2 walk-in closets, jetted tub, walk-in shower and double vanity. Office has built-ins and wet bar. Upper level has 2 bedrooms with a Jack and Jill bath. Bonus room and hallway with lots of closets. Basement has a kitchen with stainless appliances and center aisle with breakfast bar, dining area, living room, large bedroom, bath, and workshop. Home has rear screen porch, huge rear deck, rear covered patio and side loaded double garage. Playhouse remains. For more information,